Getting ready to move? Staying organized is the secret to a smooth, stress-free experience. Let's go over some simple steps to help you plan your move like a pro. Start early by creating a moving checklist. Write down everything you need to do, like hiring movers, transferring utilities, updating your address, and packing. Breaking big tasks into smaller ones makes them much easier to handle. Next, set a moving timeline. If you have about 8 weeks before the move, use that time wisely. In the first few weeks, declutter and decide what to keep or donate. As moving day gets closer, start packing non-essential items and label every box by room. Gather your supplies early: boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and markers. You don't want to run out halfway through packing. Then, keep important documents handy. Store passports, IDs, and contracts in a folder that travels with you, not in a box on the moving truck. Don't forget to plan your moving day details. Confirm your mover's arrival time. Set aside essentials like toiletries and a change of clothes, and make sure you have snacks and water for the day. Once you're in your new home, unpack one room at a time and check off tasks as you go. Staying organized helps you feel settled faster and keeps the chaos to a minimum. Moving doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a good plan and a clear checklist, you'll feel in control from start to finish. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.